Hi, I'm Todd. Welcome to Wood Turning Portal. Today we're going to turn my first hollow form vase type object. It was such a fun turn. I had so much fun. Stay tuned, see how it comes out. The keen observer will note that I cut the log in half. I've actually made two. The second half of this log will be a separate video coming out a couple of weeks. I never have a plan going in. The bowl was kind of telling me, or the base was kind of telling me that it wanted some sort of bead there. But then I realized with the epoxy, that was going to be a pain and it was going to chip. So I went for more of a classic rim for a base. So here I'm just going to remove that, make quick work of it. I just keep moving that tool in that arc, forming the silhouette I want of the side, give me a nice smooth curve coming off the rim into. Here I'm using the Lyle Jamieson hollowing rig, hollowing system. I've had this for a while, over a year. I've used it once or twice on a bowl. This is the first time I've used it to really do a hollow form. So I am very new at this, and honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm making this up as I go. That little red dot you're seeing is a laser attached to that overarm. That is where I am cutting, so I get an idea for what the size of the wall is. As that starts to elongate, I'm getting closer and closer to the edge. So this gives me an idea where it is I'm cutting so I don't go through the side. I've seen some other wood turners online put a clear coat on the inside of the hollow forms. I don't know if this is going to help or not, so I'm going to take some art cast, which will set itself up in 24 hours, and I'm going to apply that clear coat. I don't know if it's going to help or not. I don't know what it's going to do. This is my first hollow form. I am making it up as I go. Let's see if it works. Best case, it completely covers the inside and makes a nice finish, or it just seals the wood, or I just sand it off, so I really can't hurt it. So I guess I'm playing a little bit with the epoxy and seeing what it will do and trying to get a handle on what to do and what will and won't work. So I'm learning as I go. Here I'm going to add the clear coat to the inside. I am going to use a barbecue brush. I've seen some people online do this. I've seen one person online do this. And if you've watched any epoxy videos, I think you know that Sprague Wood Turning does this all the time. So I'm copying what he does. I don't know if it's going to work or not. We'll see. There you can see the epoxy is coming through the burl. So the burl, it's leaking right through. There's some cracks there. Eventually you'll see some light will come through those. So I'm happy I did this because it's going to seal that burl and give me a better seal for it. So I'm going to end up sanding it off, but here it is. This is pretty good. I'm trying something a little different with the wet sanding on this one. Normally I would wet sand with mineral spirits from 400 to 800. I'm not doing that. I dry sanded inside and out to 800. Now I'm taking the Scotch pad with mineral spirits and I'm going to wet sand with the Scotch pad to get a better buff. I'm trying this out. I haven't been happy with what the wet sanding's been doing. I'm hoping this is a little faster and gives me a better finish. So let's try it out and see what happens. Thank you for watching. This one was a lot of firsts for me. My first hollow form vase. First time really using the hollowing jig on a hollow form. And a lot of fun, great build. Came out better than I thought it was going to. Thanks for watching, and hope you come back and watch again. Thank you.